Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and again we're showing you pretty cool stuff that we've been working on. And these are really nice handmade walnut chairs, probably First World War area, 1912, 1915, and they've been reupholstered. You see they have the channel and the tuft, and they've been done in kind of a traditional gold, but it has some texture to it, so it's not exactly a velvet. But if you look close, it has some back and forth texture. And the wood is not perfect. They wanted to keep the wood kind of as original. But these are beautiful, shorter walnut chairs. The his and the her chair from a parlor setting about the First World War. Thanks for watching.